It's a beautiful day in Furfuri Nagar. Motu and Patlu are on their way to help Dr. Jhatka with a brand new invention. I can't wait to see what Dr. Jhatka has cooked up this time, Patlu, Motu said excitedly. Remember, Motu, we need to stay focused. This super energy booster machine sounds important, Patlu replied seriously. Oh no, the smell of samosas, Motu's greatest weakness. Samosas, my energy source, Motu exclaimed excitedly. Motu, please, Dr. Jhatka is waiting, Patlu said, frustrated. Motu can't resist and rushes towards the stall. Meanwhile, sneaking through the streets are John the Don and his goons, up to no good, as usual. Motu, John is up to something again. We need to go, Patlu said, alarmed. Patlu quickly drags Motu away from the stall. Soon, Furfuri Nagar will be under my control, John declared, menacingly. Inside Dr. Jhatka's lab, the inventor unveils his latest creation, excitement in his voice. Behold, the super energy booster machine. It gives unlimited energy for 1 hour, Dr. Jhatka said proudly. Unlimited energy? Just imagine how many samosas I could eat, Motu said dreamily. That energy is mine now, Jhatka, John exclaimed aggressively. Suddenly, John and his goons burst into the lab and grabbed the machine, the scene unfolding dramatically. A wild chase begins through Furfuri Nagar. Motu and Patlu are after John. Stop, John. Give that back, Motu said, determined. Motu, be careful, Patlu warned, worried. I'm coming to help, Dr. Jhatka declared, determined. Wait for me, Gasitaram called out, anxious. John activates the machine, but something goes terribly wrong. Finally, I'll have all the power, John said, triumphant. Boss, what's happening to us? Number 1 asked, confused. I feel so light, Number 2 exclaimed, surprised. Instead of giving them power, the machine turns Number 1 and Number 2 into bouncing balloons. Everyone laughs as John's goons float away, defeated. I'll be back, John shouted, vengeful. Haha, good riddance, Motu said, amused. With the machine recovered, Dr. Jhatka decided to reward Motu gently. Motu, as a reward for your bravery, you get unlimited samosas for 1 day, Dr. Jhatka announced generously. Samosas? Oh, thank you, Dr. Jhatka, Motu exclaimed, overjoyed. Motu's face lit up with joy. Motu begins his feast, while Patlu can only sigh. Someday, Motu, your love for samosas will get us in real trouble, Patlu said exasperatedly. Everyone laughs as the scene fades out.